Namaskar. Welcome to Dr. Rao's Temple of Learning. This is your YouTube channel, Spiritual Management Course. Today we are discussing part 5 of the discourse entitled as Non-Human Intelligence, What Spiritual Management Says. Yes, this is Dr. A.P. Rao, Vice President Telecom Division, HPLI Private Limited, MIDC Ranjangaon, Pune, Maharashtra, India. The non-human intelligence may be considered as a sort of natural intelligence and known to have a more of a sort of presence of natural consciousness, and this consciousness plays important role in different types of intelligence in non-humans. So let us start the part 5. The summary of part 4 says as the Western scientists are proposing non-human intelligence as only consciousness. The spiritual management suggests that consciousness is omnipresent in the space, and when it enters or approaches plants or animals, they become live with a weak but certain specific amount of intelligence. We have discussed that slime mold is not a plant or animal or a fungus. In fact, is a soil-dwelling amoeba, a brainless, single-celled organism often containing multiple nuclei. This we have seen in part 4. We have also seen that a synthetic crystal, samarium nickelate oxide, can mimic learning. It is a synthetic crystal. And now for part 5. Information processing systems, artificial and natural. A modern scientist, Metzinger, is saying we assume that there are only two kinds of information processing systems, artificial one and natural one. But this information is not true. This is false. The scientist Metzinger says, actually, no system can assume to be 100% exhaustive. We call it Sampurna or Vistrut, or exclusive, Ekal or Avibhajit as well. The new era of biology plus computer plus artificial intelligence. You can see the picture of a biological computer. There could be systems that do not belong to any of the categories said earlier. The best example is distinction between software versus hardware. We already have systems using biological hardware that can be controlled by artificial software, that is man-made software, and we have artificial hardware that run on naturally evolved softwares. That is artificial software controlling biological hardware and artificial hardware controlling biological software. We have already these categories in sciences. If the sequence of impulses traveling across the various neurons are thought of symbolically as software, then The physical neurons would be the hardware. Flowers and plants made of plastic is artificial hardware, while a programmed smile of a robot is artificial software. We perform computer analysis of human genome, which is the combination of artificial hardware for biological software. Do you know what the genome is? A genome is an organism's complete set of instructions. Each genome contains all the information needed to build that organism and allows it to grow and develop. Artificial intelligence inspired software. Artificial intelligence, we call it Krutrim Buddhimatta, is the intelligence demonstrated by machines, unlike the natural intelligence that is displayed by humans and animals, which involves consciousness and emotionality. Strong AI is usually labeled as artificial general intelligence, while attempts to emulate natural intelligence is called artificial biological intelligence. Artificial intelligence software is a computer program that mimics human behavior by learning various data patterns and insights. The examples may be the machine learning, speech and voice recognition, virtual assistants, etc. Brain-inspired processor. Latest way to define the brain is the brain is the visible, palpable living set of structure present in the human biocomputer. Some biological entities, such as neurons in a brain, can configure themselves automatically into networks and reconfigure themselves to some degree when parts are damaged or destroyed. IBM's brain-inspired architecture consists of a network of neurosynaptic cores which are distributed and operate in parallel. And chip of 1 billion neuron brain-inspired processor is capable of 44 billion synaptic operations per second. What is biological neural network? The biological neural network is shown in the picture. Dendrites are projections of a neuron or nerve cell that receives signals, that is information, from the neurons. Axon shown in figure is a long tail structuring that joins the cell body to conduct electrical impulses or action potentials. And synapse is a small gap at the end of a neuron that allows a signal to pass from one neuron to the next. This is what we see the biological neural network. Now observe the comparison between biological neural network and artificial neural network. This is artificial neural network. An artificial neural network attempts to mimic the network of neurons, makes up a human brain, so that computers will have an option to understand things and make decisions in a human-like manner. The artificial neural network is designed by programming computers to behave simply like interconnected brain cells. Researchers from England's Medical Research Council Laboratory of Molecular Biology have successfully created E. coli bacteria with entirely human-made DNA. Entirely human-made DNA. This would be perhaps a new form of life and a milestone in the field of synthetic biology. Artificial intelligence can be seen to be similar to viruses, which are considered to be acellular and essential to life but not living. There is an interesting experiment carried out by the scientist H.O.D. Lipson in Israel. He quoted the incident while working on training of an artificial intelligence system for a live demonstration in the lab. Specifically, he was testing how the objects waved in front of the AI cameras are being recognized. On a side screen, the researchers could observe how certain neurons in the artificial intelligence were responding to the stimuli. And suddenly, he noticed that one of the neuron was tracking the faces. It was tracking human faces as the people around were moving. Now, the spooky thing about this is that they never trained the system to recognize human faces, and yet somehow it learned to do that. It is not just a programming. Therefore, presently in the COVID-19 scenario, the coronavirus may or may not be the development of artificial intelligence, but must be a sort of non-human and non-organic intelligence. And nowadays we speak about the artificial life as well. Artificial life is the field of study wherein researchers examine systems related to natural life, its processes, and its evolution through the use of simulations with computer models, robotics, and biochemistry. Spiritual management approach says that this AI or A life does not involve consciousness. This is just a intelligent behavior of machines and man-made life. Thank you very much for your patient hearing. This is all for this part 5. We shall review and conclude the discourse non-human intelligence part 1 to 5 in concluding part 6. Thank you. Thank you very much.